Going hands-on with the best MagSafe connected accessories at CES 2022. Welcome everybody to AppleInsider. It is Andrew here, and let's dive into this. This is the HyperJuice 4-in-1 charger, and yes, this was announced prior to CES, but it is just so cool, and I actually got to go hands-on with it here at the show. On top of that, they have announced that they will be seeking actual MagSafe certification for the MagSafe puck here on the left-hand side. So a quick demo, the MagSafe puck there on the left does rotate, so you can adjust the angle. There is a flat charger here at the bottom on the left-hand side, perfect for like maybe an iPhone SE. On the right-hand side, you have a spot to charge your AirPods, it's a little more compact there. And the entire setup can fold flat, which is super awkward to do with one hand while filming, so forgive me for that, but it can fold flat so you can throw it in your bag and take it with you, unlike most of these charging trees. And it has a both DC power in and USB-C power in to make it ultra versatile. This is the new MagSafe lineup from HANDL. There are a couple different versions that's like HANDL O, I believe, which comes in a bunch of different finishes. It can be used as a grip, it can be used as a stand, and it works in multiple orientations. These things are just really cool, and there's a new straight version and round version that work with MagSafe. This is the Liddle Speaker with two Ds, and it magnetically can attach onto the back of your phone and even prop it up as a little display while you're watching back content. And two of them can be paired together over Bluetooth to create true stereo sound. Comes in multiple colors like pink, black, and silver. If you watch a lot of videos on your phone and want some better surround sound, these may be a great option to outfit your phone with. This next up is from Line. This is the LineStand, which is an all aluminum mount for up to 3 different devices. You can see it attaches to a standard VESA mount, which is perfect to mount onto your desk or next to your monitor. There's an Apple Watch puck and 2 MagSafe modules that are perfect for, say, a MagSafe connected pair of AirPods like AirPods 3 or the newer AirPods Pro. There is a MagSafe one there for your iPhone, which has more space, and then an Apple Watch puck at the top. Currently, these are not integrated, and you do need to provide the 3 pucks independently, but still, super cool design. Now, this guy here has been around for a little while as well, but they introduced a new version at CES. So the new Pico Pod has a bunch of different features, like it's able to rotate up and down, swivel, and all of that stuff to track you while you're on camera. Great for content creators. But they've also announced that a new MagSafe version is coming, so it allows you to just stick on your iPhone 12 or iPhone 13 and connect that way without having to put it into any sort of grip. I am all about the MagSafe mounts, and it's pretty exciting that they're upgrading this new ability for iPhone owners. Moft. Moft has this whole new smart desk mat, and there's kind of a lot of stuff it can do. You can use it to display your iPad, you can use it as a stand for your laptop, you can use it as a flat desk pad. But they do have a MagSafe tie-in here, which is what I'm talking about in this video. So a couple things really quick that I like is that there's these NFC chips here at the front, which can be used to tie into HomeKit or Siri shortcut automations. So you can just tap it with your phone and run automation as you sit at your desk for the day. And you can see there where that iPhone laying down, that's actually connected via MagSafe. So there's a magnetic wireless charger that can be stuck on the mat to hold your iPhone up while it is placed on the Moft smart desk mat. The charger itself sticks on magnetically as well, and then they're using a little cable management magnet at the top to hold the cable towards the top so it doesn't flop around all over the mat. But a really neat way to incorporate a magnetic MagSafe-compatible wireless charger onto this very versatile desk mount. You can also use it as kind of like a cork board. It does a lot of stuff, I'll just say that. It does a lot of stuff, and it can really be whatever you make it out to be. I'm just happy they included that MagSafe-compatible charger. Accessory maker Rolling Square has introduced a MagSafe-compatible car mount. It's a small metal disc with a silicone front and an adhesive back, so you can mount your iPhone in your car. I just love that it's made out of metal and not just another plastic one. Additionally, there are other magnetic ones where you can incorporate a magnetic charger in front that will work with MagSafe. Scosche has an updated base links module that will support MagSafe, as you can see here. It goes with the rest of the base links lineup. And then there are several new car mounts, 3 to be exact. There's this one that incorporates the wireless charging MagSafe puck that can also be angled around. Then there are 2 different versions like this, one that can go ahead and suction onto your car, whether to your windshield or onto your dash. And then there is a second version that is a cup holder version that can be placed into the cup holder versus being mounted onto the dash vent or windshield. This new one is from a company that I had not heard of before called Pout. And basically they've created this awesome desk stand or monitor stand that incorporates a magnetic MagSafe compatible wireless charger. It's angleable there, but it also has a bunch of I/O built in, including USB-C, USB-A, and various card readers. There's RGB lights that go into the bottom. You can tuck your accessories away, and there's a little holder on the left-hand side for things like pencils, knives, anything that you would normally have on your desk. Speck has a new MagSafe compatible folio. There are MagSafe compatible cases, but this is pretty cool. You basically wrap your MagSafe puck in it and you can bring it on the go, but it also acts as an adjustable stand that can work with your phone in multiple orientations. As someone who is always bringing their MagSafe charger on the go, this is amazing. Then we have the UV sterilizing light that is MagSafe compatible. Basically, it is a small, flat light that connects to the back of your iPhone, similar to a MagSafe wallet, but it emits UV light that can be used to sanitize multiple surfaces. And it uses AR to give you an idea of what you're cleaning. It's kind of really neat when you actually try it out. So let's go ahead and connect it to our iPhone here. We have a MagSafe compatible case, or you can stick it onto a MagSafe iPhone just on its own, but that's how it connects on, and then it charges up just via USB. Then when you're in the app, you go ahead and press on the sanitize button, and it'll go ahead and look at the surface in front of you, and it'll change the color of what has been sanitized. And the darker the blue, the more sanitized it has been. It'll also detect things like a human arm underneath, so that way you're not putting UV light, which could be harmful, onto human skin. After you're done scanning, it'll go ahead and give you a rundown of the surface that you cleaned, how well you cleaned it, and how many different types of bacteria or viruses that you can kill. It's a really neat solution, and they're still looking to improve it even further by being able to calculate the distance away you are from a surface, which can also go into how much you've sterilized it. So those are my favorite MagSafe accessories. Let me know what you think over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU.